Hi there, welcome back to the next video, and in this video let's go ahead and create a pivot table. So pivot table, if you have been creating it, you know that it's a great way of summarizing a data. So let's create a similar table within the pivot. So we want to add the dimension, which is customer segment and product category. So customer segment, and let me add a measure, which is sum of sales. Very simple table, right? Now for row and column, where I want to add it, so let me add the product subcategory into a column. So product subcategory, and for now let me scroll it a little bit, and let me scroll this little bit so that you can see it, how it is looking like. And if I click on done, for now this is how your normal table looks like, and this is how your pivot table will going to look like. And as you can see, I'm using my scroller to go left and right and see it in action. So this way, since it is a long, it is little difficult to read, but this kind of a setting is more meaningful for the eyes, and that's why pivot table provides us a lot of value. And if I go into the edit mode, I have the option that apart from the sum of sales, if my need is to add another measure like profit, I can even add that. But as you know, if I keep on adding, it will increase the complexity. So sum of profit. So now sum of sales, sum of profits are coming here. If I click on done, this is how my value is coming for each of the appliance and consumer, corporate, or home office. I can clearly see how my sum of sale and sum of profit is doing in their respective categories. So that's very quickly about the pivot table that you can create. But as you know, it has the standard option like sorting, add-ons, appearance. I have been talking about those in a lot of other videos, so it will be a repetitive if I had keep on mentioning that. But I will greatly encourage you that you do kind of play around with these settings and try to see what they are really providing you. And in case of questions, you can always come back.